We're in the bungalow basement, and we've been working on the floor for over a year now, off and on. Looking great. So we made it over to our deep well here, dry well, and we'll go over that more when I uncover it. But basically, I'm trying to go around this edge here. It's really disintegrated, the concrete, so I dug it down, did a little chiseling on it, and then I made a good chunk of concrete here. Now this goes to show you some of the shrinkage that can occur with concrete. You see that crack there? So what I need to do is mix up some really loose concrete and fill this crack in. I wish it didn't do that. I wish it would have just shrunk and held on to here, but that's what it did. So I need to fill that in with something that's going to bind, hopefully. And what I need to do is then go through here and finish along the wall and then finish filling in here. So that's where we're at. That's what shows shrinkage of the concrete. So time to fill it in.